Okay, so different ways to insert signature line in Word. So click on Insert, click on this symbol, and click on Microsoft Office. Yeah, click here. Here, when you will type your, for example, name. Okay, so for example, yeah, suggestion. Okay, show sign date in signature if you like, and click on OK. So this is example of how it will looks like. Okay, let's delete it. Let's move to second method. Okay, let's click on table and select two columns like this. Yeah, so one column, two lines. Okay, let's hit enter, and here's my on-screen keyboard, and I will hit shift minus like this. So I will hold, yeah, shift and minus. Okay, we have line now here. Let's click on second line and type your name, surname, and position, for example. Okay, let's click on design now, click on borders, and click no borders. Now we have same we have signature line with name, surname, position, and things like that.